Hello guys, so welcome back to my video. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my video. If you haven't noticed, today I'm gonna be partially Daniel Perkins. I love her. There's no shit. I love her. She's one of my favorite people in this world. I love her. And she actually commented on one of my videos, so that's cool. And I remember like being doing what she does mostly. No, not really mostly. She cleans sometimes, a lot of times, because she doesn't really have time to clean. So I understand that. But I don't do anything as serious as she does. She's a star, she's a celebrity, she's a beautiful girl. She's very, very beautiful. And I have good that. So she's a very beautiful girl and she does a lot of things. Me trying not to get, angry. Okay, even though she's not gonna be watching this video. Me trying not to get angry. Anyway, I really love her. I wish I had her body, first of all. Popping body. Popping. And I have a lot of clothes to wash. So right now, okay. Um, okay. Let's just go. Yes, go on. Let's go. Okay, so that happened. You guys are balanced on the bucket. I overturned the bucket and I'm balancing you guys on it, so that's cool. Professional YouTuber. Um, and yes, I don't have a guitar, but I might have also been a little bit crying. So, but we're gonna not change these vibes. I'm not gonna be crying this video, so I'm not gonna be crying. None of that in this video. Okay, I'm crying because one of the he's the only person who actually talks to in real life as a friend. He's the only person I actually talk to in real life as a friend, and he is leaving. And I'm also leaving, and we're in separate ways. And I feel like this is the end of no. I'm not gonna be crying, so. And I feel like this is the end of it. Like I don't know. He's been telling me about the moving thing, but it's just that I never really listened. Then yesterday he confirmed it because we went to drop something at his friends and we'll talk about this when we are folding the clothes, okay? In the folding section part of this, we'll talk about it. And so now I've like just practically separated the clothes into two parts. First, the two parts. The one I'm washing today and the one I'm not washing today. Now I'm not washing today, I'm sitting right on it. Yes, I folded it and I'm sitting on it. And then this is the one I am washing today. This, then this, then this. I separated them into three because I don't want to really mix dark with light colors. And then there are the dirty, really dirty clothes, and they're really not really so dirty because most of the time I only wear my clothes once. I don't really repeat them, except they are very comfortable, and I repeat them that shit for like 100 days. So um, most of these clothes are extra dirty because they've been lying down for a really long time. They're not. I've only worn them once, but they've been in the laundry for a really long time. I'm gonna say the specific. I'm not gonna say the specific time, so because if I say it, some people are gonna really judge me, and I'm not ready for that. And okay, now I just have to wash without actually having the urge to remove some of this clothes that I decided to wash and put it back in the laundry because I do have the tendency of doing that, returning the clothes back into the laundry because I'm lazy. Why am I sitting down? I should be washing my hands. Now it's the time is 4:44 p.m. So let's see when we actually finish this, and I have to cook. So I might be multitasking right now. I might also having to multitask. So okay, that's very good for me. I didn't cook before starting this. I didn't think about this. Okay, let's go. So your girl forgot to finish the log. This was the end result. and it took 3 days, but I was done. But we are moving soon, so bye bye.